Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer money from one Payoneer account to another. So, first thing you want to do is open your browser and go to payoneer.com. Just sign in using your registered email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see a few tabs up top: Home, Get Paid, and Pay. Go ahead and click on the one that says Pay. Now under that section, choose the option called Pay to a Recipient's Payoneer Account. That's the one that lets you send money directly to another user. Okay, next part, you'll need to enter your recipient's details. I'd really recommend using their email address instead of just a name. It's safer and works more smoothly. Then you'll see a drop down to select which balance you're sending from. Maybe your US dollar balance or whatever currency you're using. Just pick the one that fits. After that, enter the amount you want to send, and if you want, type a short description like what the payment's for or maybe an invoice note. When you're done, click on Next. You'll see a quick summary, the recipient info, the balance, and any fees. Usually, Payoneer to Payoneer transfers are totally free, so that's nice. And once you're happy with everything, click Pay to confirm. Boom, that's it. Your recipient will get the money pretty soon. And yeah, that's how you transfer funds between Payoneer accounts. Super easy, right? If this was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick how-tos like this one.